Welcome to Weirdly Real, where we drop mind-blowing facts. Today, we're talking about something that might just surprise you: how betting apps could be ruining your life. Let's get into it. Instant gratification leads to poor decisions. We live in an era of instant gratification, and betting apps are the perfect example. You place a bet, get a rush of excitement, and feel good for a moment. But that feeling can quickly turn into poor decision-making, leading you to bet more than you should. It's easy to get caught up in the moment without thinking about the long-term consequences. It's super addictive. Betting apps are built to keep you hooked. With constant updates, rewards, and notifications, they play on your brain's natural desire for excitement. Before you know it, you're placing bets without even realizing how much time and money you're sinking in. It's easy to lose control, and addiction can sneak up on you without warning. It can seriously mess with your mental health. The emotional highs and lows of betting, winning one moment, losing the next, can mess with your mind. Stress, anxiety, and even depression are common side effects. You might not realize it, but these apps can start affecting your mood and your overall well-being, making it harder to feel happy or at peace. You can end up spending more than you can afford. At first, you might think you're just betting small amounts. But those small bets add up, and the next thing you know, you've spent way more money than you ever planned to. Betting apps make it easy to deposit funds and place bets quickly, so you don't even notice how much you're losing until it's too late. It can ruin your relationships. When you're obsessed with betting, it's not just your bank account that takes a hit, your relationships do too. Friends and family might start to notice you're always distracted or acting differently. The stress and secrecy of gambling can lead to arguments, isolation, and even broken relationships. And there you have it. Betting apps aren't as harmless as they seem. They can have a bigger impact than you might think. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real facts here on Weirdly Real. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.